as you can see, I managed to get out. Oh shit! I managed to get out the GPU. It wasn't that fun to watch, but yeah, it was decent. It's a really small one. It's a Dell one, so yeah, old one, as you can see, a GTX 1660 Super. Came out 2019, I do believe, but yeah. Let's get into the rest of the building. So, and I also really like this GPU because its power connector is right up here, as you guys can see. It's right up in the front, which means I don't really have to route it under, which I do believe is the main reason people pick the Inno 3D, because it's exactly the same size as basically this one, a little bit longer. Yeah. To installing it. All of this just so I can finally play Counter-Strike. I tried recently with just integrated settings, but that was horrible. Or integrated graphics, and I have never had a worse experience in my life. In Counter-Strike, that is. Do I put it on the outside or inside? What am I thinking? What do you mean do you put on the inside or outside? Let's turn this thing around. Let's turn this thing around and let's see. Oh, maybe it's the teachers. Some random dude from the IB. That'd be pretty fun. Well, random dude, I hope you enjoy my videos of me teaching how to do or showing my way for building in this mini case. Okay, what the hell? Do they want me to slot it in first? I hope they do. Do I have to remove this? Hard. Oh, it's supposed to work. I'm screwing this thing off. I'm doing that shit. Could. Two things holding me stuck. I'm not screwing off the IO sheet. Just maybe. I think I'll have to remove the backboard, yeah. What you guys think? Let's try to slot this beast of a GPU. Let's check for the screws we had. Because the backboard has two screws, which are two of the screws I broke off. And I'll just see. Or I mean let's not use those. Let's use these. Or the power supply. The power supply. I don't really care what screws goes for the power supply cable. Oof, it looks pretty clean, right? What a beauty. Still half of it is empty. I could have another power supply, just a separate one. Imagine. What a life that would be. What a life that could be. Hopefully this riser cable isn't fucked. These screws don't fly that far, so we're fine. It's fine. But let's see what screws that are. 12. Okay, I found some other small screws. Let's test if these fit. That means these screws can only be the only screws. Oh. Let's just say. I don't know if it's so typical. Back a few days later, and as I realized when I installed the GPU, this is the wrong power connector, so I'll need to install one of these. I'm just gonna double check right now that it actually fits. I do think it was this one possibly. That one fits at least, and then that's the big ones left. Yep, it fits nicely. There we go. So this one is the one we'll install. Pardon the mess. I'll just let me just real quickly tidy up these useless, stupid, or not stupid, but useless bags out of the way. Might need 17. I would have saved them one. Okay, so this one it was, yes, and let's just turn the case upside down and screw off the bottom panel. Oh, that was some pressure. There's some pressure in this one. Just put on this bad boy. We are trying extra components, you know. At this point of the build, it might not be that necessary. Just screw in some simple screws. I'd rather see this already. That didn't sound too good. Oh well. Oh, there it is. Mark the door. There. Should we just use a few of those to try to get this good? So we're going to keep this down. Okay, let's begin just connecting up heels already.
Sorry that you can't really see much or a lot of what I did. It's just my back got in the way, so I had to cut it out unless you just want to watch half my back for 2 hours. So yeah, bye. Or, let's continue. I mean.
So we're going to this. First, let's get this bad boy. So let's begin with some table management. Is there time for me to operate this bad boy? This is fine. Just and all of this. It's never really to be quiet. That's what feels like. With the power, with the big power connector, I don't really see much of it. I can at least look at the process. Either the big boy power will get pulled out, or as I hope, the small boy power will get pulled into this. It'll be hard to disassemble. There's no upper control on this right now. It's at least slightly connected, right? Mr. Wobbly camera. And let's get this ratness over it. I want to bring the board just over, just so it's not the way. Should we have used this bad boy? Probably, because it's kind of shorter and should we try something? Before we had this entire space, but not in the riser case. Okay, let's see if we just so this is a working PC, but it's not really working. We need to be clever. really, we do kind of not working. Busy on the party, so. If we could just get something in between there, just to make sure the RAM isn't constantly under pressure. Should I disconnect this bad boy? Let's cut off this bad boy. I know I did this in the last part of the video, but honestly, like generally I might just want to change these power cables. Can really get closer enough there. This bad boy. Because this is what we're working with. This one would have to go in there basically. If we could just get one good. Maybe. Oh well. This one's too long. Meanwhile, this one's too short. We figured that out in the first video, didn't we? I might have to check out again. Has been working. Has. Okay, so how to read the much I changed the length of the 24 pin, and I also, as previously stated, the reason I didn't pick it was, you can see this little shorty was too short, but I've managed to find a solution to that issue. So let's connect this tiny pin. I have no idea, genuinely no idea what it's for. There we go. Connecting myself up to the FSR as well. There I go. Should we wrap this bad boy around like that? This one we should definitely find a way to go permanently. But we're just tight to modify this one out. I don't think this one's this up there, so let's find the bottom of it all. Push all the way. This one, well, I get to push back here. This bad boy, go up here, get some current just for get this one outside. Just this one. Okay. All the cables that I need to have plug in hardwood in. Now it's maybe just a question of how I will have my top of the device or maybe it's not. Maybe it's not, it's basically. Don't put the extra pressure because it's tight. I think that's right. Under it. Oh, yes. On top, so let's try to quickly spread it out. This. It was probably not supposed to be for PC video. I guess you said it. I basically would have to disassemble this entire case to remove 90% of these wires anyways, so. How about we... Not working. Start to play one after this. I don't even have these animals. Anyway, just gonna go down to this. Should be nice and flush. I'm gonna start to connect these ones. Not interfering with these ones. These ones. What the fuck? What? Okay, pressed in no matter what. So I cut off this tip, the one on the back side, of course. But what I want to do is kind of reinforce this one through this power boy. But there's no real way I can. I should go on neurosurgeon after this. Holy shit. Oh yeah, that's not a lot of space. Can twist the cable. I need to get this bad boy in there. Maybe wrong position. Get the big guns out. Where are you? Where are the guns? Where are you? Right, maybe screwdriver. Can you guys see it? I can see it. I can remember this. No, where is it? Where is it? Where is this blue screwdriver? The blue screwdriver. I need you right now. I need you. Okay. The blue screwdriver. The blue one. This is honey blue screwdriver. Oh, my phone said it was under my seat. So, I have to take this one. Oh, wait. Oh. Yeah. Press. Press. Just don't want. Get in there. Get. Oh, no. Oh. Just. Oh, wait, I just need to press. Oh, no more stop. Oh, wait, how about prevent it the other way? So I don't have to do all of these. Where are all these? Now, if I have a connection. How about that? Let's wait, step up. Bigger opening. not fine. And all those photos. This is easy. So why am I bend it the other way? So we can also easy. Hopefully easy. What's this way? I don't want a red table. Where's it at? There's no space for me to twist it. I need to enter this back more. Could do it the other way. What's that here? If I do, I should be all the way. I don't want to just slide back out, so it's a bit extra. Push. This is like quality drop is because I've decided to shoot the video in slightly lower resolution, just HD instead. So it might have just, instead of you guys seeing it downscale from 4K to HD, it might be a bit lower quality because it's just neat to me. I don't know how that works exactly. I'm not that type of nerd. I'm not even a nerd. I do Roblox, I'm doing all this for fucking Roblox. And I did all this for fun, like, I could afford it. Actually, one of the big reasons I upgraded this, so I was kind of somewhere in storage. And I did get more storage, I double storage, so I can find a space for me. Let's see if there's enough space. Yeah, I'll make it work. Make it work. This one? Yeah. I didn't make it work. I think I did make it. Okay, so yeah. Let's just cut this bad boy. I'll just leave like a bit of these left. Don't really do much. Oh damn, that was that hefty. There we go. Then which one do we pick? Just both of them on this one, I guess. Trying to be as space efficient as possible. Just because I saw that otherwise I was kind of tilted. Before I realized I had the wrong power cable twice. There's another one, I believe it's for something else. And possibly, yeah, and like the this bad boy. But this one slots in at least it should work. Just pick which one is this one? Maybe I want to pick this one. This one is speaks differently. Then I hope I won't have to touch this thing until 3 weeks. Because on my old PC, oh my fucking days. That means I'll have to uninstall this bad boy the moment I get an offer for this one. So I can buy a new one and install it. This is the most of the hard work. Like, yeah. I didn't have to do all of this. I could have just installed the riser. And then I could have just waited. But like the riser cable was the main reason I had to do all this cable management, so I guess it's fine. I'm happy you guys are happy, I hope. You have a good day, good life. A happy life. Life is nothing without happiness, so we just put this extra cables somewhere as long as this one can spin, this one can spin. I'm happy. I hope good. I probably will continue. You never know. This piece could be a whole thing, it's in my possible. Like don't take like foil over this. Not like house. Kind of like not base and stuff. I already stay at one place, you know. Change homes. Kind of. I guess. However you would. I was the because before. Back in the day, we went to Warhammer 40K. I wish for a game for my birthday, I think it was. Or Christmas, I don't know. Oh, this one's not lining up. It's really that much pressure. I didn't really fix this one because it's just like a tiny one. That fits easily. I know it looks ugly, but it's time management thing. And those ones are not fucking lined up. What the fuck? Oh. I just moved the entire thing. Did it line up? Should we start with the bottom holes? Yeah, sorry, one of the bottom holes. The middle one. Or the kind of the one. It's actually one of the rest of them. And make sure to kind of screw it all the way. Or all over this door, but I think I do want to screw in the bottom ones all the way in before I screw in this bad, because this bad can shift. So all the way can't really shift. And, what's the name? Actually, probably wasn't made for my fan. I guess. This one, that one. Oh, this one's gonna be hard. This doors. Stop. That is really listen. I actually want to check out this bad boy. No, because this one isn't also. This one isn't also. This, yeah, in a way. I'm getting into anywhere close to that territory. Probably not good. Shift this. I'm going to have to shift this up. All the way in. Especially this back one. Special. Sorry for making you guys bubble bubble. I don't want to go too hard. I'm doing it lightly. Your place. Yes, do remember not to screw in like. I have no idea how this one's so tight. This one's so screwed in. Probably the wrong stuff. Anyways, the top, I can tight. You don't want to mess with that, so. Right there. It's this way, right there. Let's make it easier for future me. Stuff these bad boys in. It doesn't make it fit. Make it fit. we go. And then a bunch of these things are scratched up now, but like, to be honest, you're not gonna know it's 95% of it. So bottom side up. Let's turn this bad boy around the world. Ah. I just have to check so I didn't forget a singular screw. Rather screw it in or out too many times than too few times, you know. There we go. Just slide it over. Where's the fuck is the only one? There. Okay, I just... The screw I ruined it all the last time. Or I didn't ruin it, I just made it take 2, 3, 4 extra days. Now we've used up all of those screws, so if I had to do it out, I am fucked. Okay, let's try it. Oh, sound real heavy, real heavy. Let's put all these ones in the back again. Then I'll go census. If it turns on, I have to search up how to get into the BIOS of. And that has to be enough, right? Plug it into HDMI on the GPU now. Come on now, you can see it spinning. It's the light on it. My bad, sorry guys. And yes, some POV footage right now. Wait, let me just put this back on real quick. Let's change the HDMI slot. This one. There's no silence. It's on. Let's try one more time. Then I'm going to check the user. I might have connected the power stuff the wrong way. Hopefully I didn't short circuit anything. Let's just check on the user log manual.
Turn off and on my monitor. Yeah. Nothing. I didn't do anything wrong. So yeah. Bye.